Guys, I invented something so cute and I am so happy that I had a spare Brie so I can show you guys how to make it. I'm apologizing in advance for the lighting. This was not a planned video in any way, shape, or form. Christmas tree baked Brie. Look at how cute these are. And guys, they require minimal effort. I got some refrigerated Pillsbury crescent dough, and then I just got my cooking scissors and just like cut it down the middle. And then I moved the other ones out the way so I can make another Brie. And then I just kind of pinched those little edges together. I got my baked Brie, and then what I did is I just cut it in half so that I can use the other half for the other baked Brie. And then you can just top it with whatever you want. This one's super simple. I just got some honey and some roasted toasted almonds, and then you're gonna go down and up and then side to side. You are then going to get some gel food coloring. I used the pine green color, and then you're going to add it on the side, and then you are going to very lightly get some of that on your brush and then dab all around to give it that Christmas tree look. Do not add the food coloring directly on top of your puff pastry, because that's what I did with my accidental invention for the first one that you're gonna see in just a minute. It doesn't look nice, so just make sure you do it on the side and then dab very lightly to give it some texture. I added some little cuts with my cooking scissors, and then I just got my little balled up sprinkles and I just added them all around. I then got a little star-shaped sprinkle and added it to the top of my Christmas tree, then adding a little bit of yellow food coloring and using a clean brush, dabbing it along so it can be like a yellow star, make it as traditional as I could. This here is the one that I just made for you. That there was my accidental invention. That Brie was just topped with some grape jelly and some crushed walnuts, and then the one that you have here was the one that I made first, in which I added some cranberry sauce, and then I topped it off with some dried cherries and crushed almonds and a little drizzle of honey. Honestly, this one was too pretty not to share, so I included it in the video. After adding some yellow food coloring on my accidental inventions star, I then popped it inside of my oven at 425 degrees for 13 minutes. This here is the end result. Because this was not planned, I didn't perfect it. Hopefully someone sees this and makes a video on how they can make it look cuter, but I think it was perfect. If you guys do this, please tag me. And Merry Christmas!